Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is of course a DIY. We'll be transforming these jeans into shorts, simple shorts, and as usual stay tuned to see the finished result. If you like the video, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, enjoy. You're going to need the trouser you're going to cut, tweezers, needle and thread, scissors, chalk, and your ruler. I'm going to start with marking where we want the skirt. So I want it short, so maybe here. I hope next time I'll be able to get access of both of my hands. Here is our short. Next we want the whole part of the leg to look like this. Yeah, I'm not done, just did it a bit to show you how I want it throughout the leg. Yeah, and this is where the tweezers will come in. So sit down, have your drink, because this will take a while.
One eternity later.
This is how it looks on both sides, and I'm quite happy with it. So next, since the short is plain, I'm going to add some cuts, few cuts here and here. I'm not sure what to do, but I'll see what I can do this side. So here is our short. Look at this, oh my goodness. I'm so happy it looks like this. It came out so nicely. Wow. To be honest, this was one of the simplest DIY, but the amount of time it took ain't a joke. So next we're going to be fixing all the parts that need fixing. Here, here, and then cut out all the thread poking out from everywhere, and we'll have our short.